What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some work on Ross's car. Yeah, we got a new hub pressed in the other day, thanks to Blake. Put his Instagram up here. He pressed it in for us, sweet as. New wheel bearing. Ross painted all this up. The other thing is, this bit here where the coilover goes into, it's a bit threaded. So on the other side, I'll show you now. What they've done, they just cut the end off and put a bolt through with a nut. So we're going to do that on the other side as well now. We've got some nuts and bolts there. Hopefully as well, maybe probably be in this video, we're going to fit a rear jacking bar. So hopefully that arrives. It's meant to arrive in the next hour or so, but we'll see. But yeah, let the fun start, eh, Roscoe?
Send it.
There we go, mate. She ain't going nowhere. Probably a bit of excess bolt, but it don't really matter. It's not going to hit anything. I had to cut a little bit of the disc off. Not the disc, the dust guard, just to be able to get access. But that's cushy, mate. Ain't going nowhere.
Bit of black paint on again, mate.
Stop the rust. Banging.
Brand new.
Like it came from the factory like that. So we got that in there, yeah, took us a while, but yeah, we forgot to put the spring in. So we're just going to undo the top bolts, drop it down, put the spring in and push it back up. Don't do that. The rear jacking bar just arrived.
Just in time.
Sweet as, open it up then. Born2Drift. Ryder's feeling a bit ill. I'm going to drop him home. It's like 25 degrees out and he's got his jacket on. There she is. Looks nothing like the photos, but oh well, as long as it does the job. Very light. That's a little extension bit that goes in the bottom so you can take it out if you don't want to see it. Nice. You won't see any of this anyway, it'll all be behind the bumper. Right, time to install this bad boy. Take the bumper off. I believe it's just these down here. It's 413s, then it should come off. Obviously this bumper's all cable tied up, so we're going to have to cut the cable ties here. But then it should slide off in theory. Don't know, soon find out. I've never actually taken a rear bumper off an E36, only the fronts, so it should be fun. There we go. Looking nice and ugly. This is all going to get chopped out at some point. Not yet. We're going to do the missile first. That'll probably be the next video. But yeah, literally them 4 bolts and the whole thing slides out. Mint. Put this up, see if it lines up.
That's an underglow, so.
Oh yeah, it is. It's an LED kit. Nice.
And the battery back there's like some little terminals as well.
Yeah. What's this?
Breather pipe.
Yeah. Put that up on there, slide it over it. Mint as, mate. Cushy.
Done, mate.
It's sorted.
Cut this bit out of
Yeah. Alright, how should we mark it? So you just have to chop a tiny bit of your bumper out. Get the angle grinder on it. Mint. It helps if it's got the battery in it.
It always helps if you install the battery.
Yeah, make sure it's turned off now. The most crooked cut I've ever seen. Go and try it now.
It's more. Quite a bit more.
Yeah. I mean, you can't see any of this anyway.
If
So.
we go down to that line, there's like a little line there. Is that line there?
Mint. Alright, where's that little extension bit? This you can just leave off, and then when you're going to
track this.
yeah, because otherwise you'll probably end up scraping on the floor.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do, just leave it off.
If it fits.
If she went in.
Yeah, put it on just hand tight, and then we'll see what it's like once it's on the car.
I don't want it on anyway, to be fair.
Huh?
I don't want it on anywhere.
No, I mean just to see how easy it is to get the bolt in and out once it's on the car. Slide it back on then. Does Jack even get under there? Have to cut a bit off of it. Stealthy, mate. Look at that. That's all you can see, and that's removable anyway. See how hard it is. It's quite hard to get to the bolt. Might be worth cutting this off a little bit, like so. If we cut this off, we'll be able to get the spanners in there. Like, you can't see it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Mint. Smells horrible, doesn't it?
She's
Look how close it is. Oh, you can see. Look. I mean, it's not focused right now, but Jack just goes under it. Perfect. I haven't tightened the bolt, but it doesn't matter. Oh, this is a lot easier, isn't it?
In the frame rail, is it?
Probably. Mint. So sick. Makes life so much easier. Born2Drift. Good little fit, mate. Super easy. Makes your life so much easier, because trying to jack up low cars from the side is a pain. So this was about £80 plus postage, like say £90. All pre-made, bolted up, easy, sweet as. Can't really go wrong for 90 quid there.
It's definitely going to save some time.
You know, I normally spend ages trying to jack cars up.
Now,
Yeah, that one.
Should be alright.
Yeah, that one's straight. The purple one's bent, so we have to make a custom one. But yeah, as long as your chassis is actually straight, it'll bolt straight up. On the purple coupe, one of the frame rails is pushed in a bit, so it probably won't bolt up. It might do, I don't know, but probably make a custom one. Yeah, we'll see anyway. But yeah. This was probably a short video, but just thought I'd show you guys. Fitting the rear jacking bar anyway, makes life so much easier. I've got dirt all over my face. Nice. It's quite hot as well. But yeah, see you in the next video. Next video, we're going to be chopping up the missile. A bad wasp. Just smacked the wasp in my hand. Yeah, we're going to be chopping the whole rear of the missile out. Well, I say the whole rear, the footwell, spare wheel well and stuff. Just makes it easier to get the diff and stuff. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.